Hi everyone, welcome to the course Complete SQL Masterclass for Data Analytics. The businesses today are moving from traditional intuition based decision making to data driven decision making. Therefore, the use of SQL is now no longer limited to developers or programmers. Even business managers, analysts, and marketing researchers need to learn this language. With our professional experience of working with SQL, we have carefully designed the course, keeping in mind the current and upcoming demands of the industry. This is a comprehensive course which will take you from beginner to the advanced level without wasting your time. We have adopted a pedagogy so that you retain almost everything you learn. We'll start by covering the basics of databases and data management. With this, you will understand the theory behind what you are going to learn. Next, we learn how to create a database, create tables in a database, and then add data in our tables. This basically is a business collecting and storing data in a structured format. Then we learn some fundamental commands of SQL which will enable you to manipulate, that is, change the data you have, and query, that is, retrieve the data from your DB. But the data retrieved using these fundamental commands will be very raw. You would want your data to be processed and to contain some information. For this, we will learn how to filter and sort the data so that we retrieve only relevant information, and that too in the order we like. After this, we learn how to group data and find out aggregate values such as sum and count. For example, you may want to find out the count of male and female customers or the total revenue generated by customers less than 25 years of age. This you will be able to do after these lectures. Next, we move on to some advanced concepts. We first learn how to combine and take out data from multiple tables when we discuss joins. Then we learn about subqueries. Subqueries is basically a query inside a query. This is a very powerful tool. Then we learn about views and indexes, which are mainly performance enhancement tools for a database. Next, we cover in different sections the different types of functions. First, we cover string functions, which includes concatenation, changing case, trimming a string, etc. Second comes mathematical functions, where we learn how to generate random numbers, finding ceiling, floor, and rounding of decimal numbers. In datetime functions, we cover how to get the current date time and how to find difference between two different dates. In conversion functions, we learn how to convert the data type of the data from string to numerical or datetime and vice versa. After completing all this, you will be knowing multiple ways to do the same thing in SQL. But apart from knowing all these ways, you should know which is the best way out of all these. This is what we cover in the last section. Final section will tell you the best practices and performance tuning techniques in SQL. You will learn some advanced pattern searching techniques as well. We also cover some concepts which are sometimes asked in interviews and vivas so that you can get the job that you always wished for. Some lectures in the last section will be covered by another instructor who has experience of working as an analytics consultant in a reputed global firm. I think with this intro, you will get the feel that this course is pretty comprehensive. But don't be overwhelmed. SQL is simple and it just needs practice. So watch the videos, write the queries with me, and lastly, do the practice exercises. I'm pretty sure you'll be able to complete this course and get the certificate. The best motivation of learning something is to know how the new knowledge will help you. So before we start the course, I'll be showing you a case study based on SQL. Once you get the feel of what you will achieve, we will start the course. All the best and see you in the course.